Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hi, hello everyone. Myself Meghana Vaijay from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Bengaluru. From the Department of Basic Science, first semester CRC. Now I am going to discussing about the subject is Principles of Programming C. In this subject, the subtopic is Introduction to Decision Control Statements in C. Now first I am giving introduction to decision control statements in C. Statement or set of statements that is executed when a particular condition is true and ignored when the condition is false is called decision control structure. The case of decision control statements in C language, a group of available statements will get executed in case the conditions we have are true. Using decision control statements, we can control the flow of program in such a way so that it executes certain statements based on the outcome of a condition. Use of decision control statement in C. In a programming, when we use the decision control statements, we get to control the flow of any program with us in such a way that it gets to execute some statements on the basis of an available conditions outcome. The condition can be both true or false. We must perform various tasks based on the conditions available to us. For instance, let us consider an online website. Whenever someone enters the wrong password or ID, it will display an error page. While if they enter the correct credentials, then the website will display them a welcome page. Thus, there might be some type of logic here that checks the available conditions, password and ID. If the conditions return to be true, then it will perform the assigned task, in this case, displaying the welcome page. Or else it will perform a very different task, in this place, displaying the error page. Types of decision control statements in C. If statement, if else statements, if else if statement, switch case statements. Now, first I am explaining if statement. The statements inside if body executes only when the condition defined by if statement is true. If the condition is false, then compiler skips the statement enclosed in its body. We can have any number of if statements in a C program. The if in C is a decision making statement that is used to execute a block of code based on the value of the given expression. It is one of the core concepts of C programming and is used to include conditional code in our program. The if statement is a decision making statement that guides a program to make decisions based on specified criteria. The if statement executes one set of code if a specified condition is met, true, or another set of code evaluates to false. Syntax: if text expression, statement 1, statement n, statement x. The if structure may have one statement or n number of statements which are enclosed within the curly brackets. Initially, the text expression is evaluated. If the expression is true, the statement of the if block is executed, or all the statements will be skipped and statement X will be executed. Next one, if else statement. There are times where we would like to write that if the expression is true, an action should be taken, and if the expression is false, there would be no action. We can also include an action for both the conditions. In such cases, we use the if else statement. In this decision control statement, we have two block of statements. If condition results true, then if block gets executed, else statements inside else block executes. Else cannot exist without if statement. In this tutorial, I have covered else if statements as well. Syntax: if expression, statement 1, else statement 2. If the expression is true, statement 1 will be executed, and if the expression is false, statement 2 will be executed. If else if statement. This statement works in the normal way as the if statement. Its construct is known as the nested if statement. After the first if branches, the program can have many other else if branches depending on the expressions that need to be tested. Syntax: if text expression 1, statement block 1, else if text expression 2, statement block 2, else statement block x, statement y. Else printf's percentile d is the largest number n3. Output is the largest number. Fourth one, switch statement. This case statement is a multi-way decision statement which is a simpler version of the if-else block which evaluates only one variable. This is very useful when we need to evaluate multiple conditions. The switch block defines an expression or condition and case has a block of statements based on the result of expression corresponding case block gets executed. A switch can have any number of cases, however, there should be only one default handler. Syntax: switch expression, case expression 1, statement 2, statement n, break. Case expression 2, statement 1, statement 2, statement n, break. Default statement 1, statement 2, statement n. Case capital A, case small a, case capital E, case small e, case capital I, case capital I, case capital O, case small o, case capital U, case small u. Printf percentile C is a vowel. Break default printf percentile C is not a vowel. Output is the enter any character is a C. C is not a vowel. I am giving in conclusion. Control statements are a fundamental component of C programming. They allow a program to control the flow of execution in their programs, making it easier to write efficient and readable code. When the available condition is true, then there occurs an execution of a certain group of statements. In case this available condition turns out to be false, there occurs an execution of the statement specified in the else part. Thank you for watching, guys.